So today we will see what is modules. So what is modules? Why we need to start with modules and how do we create a module? So all these things we will see in our today's session. Um, and I will go slowly because this is the first concept that you are trying to learn. So that's why. So modules means I'm going to start automation with the modules. Okay. First of all, we need to know what is the definition of it. It is a group. Sorry, what I'm writing now. It is a group or
Have you
collection
shared your
of.
screen? Sorry for interrupting, Afros. Have you shared your screen?
Oh, I saw. Sorry, I forgot.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Yeah. So, the definition of module is it is a group or collection of attributes. Basically, attributes are nothing but whenever I call attributes, it is nothing but controls. It is nothing but object elements. We can call it any way, like attributes, controls, objects, elements. So, whatever the terminology you want to speak, you can say. Module contains the technical information which are present in the application. By creating a module, I'm going to grab or collect the technical information of the controls, or you can say objects or attributes which are present in the application. But why do we need to create a module? Let us understand first of all what is a module and why do I need to create a module. The Tosca automation tool does not require any coding language or scripting language. If I don't write any coding, if I don't write any scripting, then how will I do automation? I can do automation to have something to do the automation, right? So modules of the application will be created instead of scripts and any coding language. So I'm just going to create a module of the application. It means how the application will be reacting in the runtime. The runtime behavior of the application is called as module. Means how the application will react. For example, there is an Amazon application. So if you open the Amazon, I mean, you are using URL of Amazon. If you use URL and you are browsing in somewhere and it will open. So after that, what you will do? Click on register, right? That means capturing the runtime behavior of the application. So it's called as module. So why we need to create? Okay, what is a module? We we know that, but why we need to create that? Because we are not writing any coding, any scripting. Then you need to have something to start. Then you are going to capture the application in the form of modules. For example, someone has asked you to visit some address without giving the address. You can't visit that place, correct? So you need to have some information about this particular thing. So if I want to also automate the application, I need to have an information about the controls which are present in the application. So that thing I'm going to create them as a modules. So this is the reason why we are going to work on modules. And Tricent is given a sample application. Like one sample application is a demo web shop. You just need to type on any browser. You can take my Edge, Chrome or Firefox. Here there is a Tricent. Click on that. So here there is a demo web shop. It is a web application. So Tricentis is itself has created one web application for the people who want to learn Tosca. But it does not mean that you should not use any other application. You can use it any application, whatever you are convenient. Okay. I'm just copy and pasting in chat box. Please save it somewhere. So the most important point I need to tell you guys, whenever I'm speaking or talking from the application point of view, so this is an application. Okay. So whatever this register, register is a control. It is an object. It is an element. So I will call them as a object, element, or control. Okay. So first step is creation of module. Okay. Let me create a let me create a folder. What you will do, go back to, I'm sorry guys. So this is a module section, and let me create a folder. This is a module, right? You just need to give a right click, and here you can see create folder. So first I need to give a name, a demo web shop modules. Okay. So why I have given this name? Because I'm just trying to create a module for this demo web shop. So whatever the modules that I'm creating, I'm just going to place them under this folder that is called demo web shop modules. Okay. And here demo web shop modules, there is a folder I have created. And again, just give your right click on that and see there is a scan option, right? What I what is the definition of modules? It is a group or collection of attributes or objects or elements, right? And how do you collect the attributes? It contains the technical information in the application. Whatever we opened in the application, it contains technical information. It means if you want to capture the technical information which is present in the application, so how do you capture? By scanning the application, you will be capturing the this technical info. So go back to Tosca, give a right click on folder, click on scan, and click on application. Okay. And you will see starting Xscan, right? So Xscan is the tool inbuilt tool which is used in order to create the modules. So you can see heading of the window also, it is Xscan, is also named as Xscan. So when I open the Access scan window, what Tosca has done is it tried to display all the windows which are open in my system. Whatever the application you want to automate, so Tosca will try to display all the applications which are open in your system, and it will try to show it to you. So then you can select whatever thing you want and you can start automation. So select what demo web shop, click on that. So here there is an option scan, just click on that. So now, right now I won't get any error. When I try to scan the application, now Tosca has identified all the controls which are there in the application. Can you see? See, register, login, shopping cart. Here also register, login, shopping cart, wish list also is there. There is a queue. Queue means it is a text box. This is a button, search. So whatever you see in the application, can you see here? So what Tosca has done is when you started scanning the application, Tosca gathered all the information about the controls which are present in this page. So it is up to you, whatever control you want to identify, you can just identify them and you can create a module. And what you are doing it for the first time, so you might get an error. So saying that Tosca automation extension is not present. So what is this meaning? So Tosca automation extension for Microsoft Edge or Chrome or Firefox, just Google it. You don't need to Google it. Just delete that extension. Demo web shop, scan. See, in order to scan or record Chrome, you need to install Tosca automation extension for Chrome. So just click on that S and it will take you to uh, Tricentis automation extension for Chrome. And here you will get option like get it. Okay. Right now in my browser, I have it. So that's why it is asking remove from Chrome. But instead of this, you will get like get it option. So just click on that and it will download extension in your browser. And you can do as it is what I'm saying. Okay. Just I need to manage it, manage extensions. Right click, scan, application. Now you have an application demo web shop. You have the tool Tosca. It means you have an application to automate and you have a tool to automate. Means you are using the automation tool in order to automate the web application. Now, how do you connect with that? So, how do you establish a connection with the application? How do you interact with that? So, there should be some communication method or synchronization method, right, between two things. So, these are the like just why it is not coming. It's very slow. So this automation extension, right? So there should be communication between these two objects in order to establish that connection. You need to have this automation extension for Chrome or for Firefox for Edge. When you install this communication method, now the automation tool Tosca will try to scan the capture the application and it will try to display the controls. Okay, guys?
So, ma'am, it will show all the controls of respective web page.
Yes. Yeah. Now see, is it visible, guys?
Yeah.
So first of all, let us understand what is this options. It is a basic. So Xcan, it when you click on that, see. So this is the page you might see first time. Okay, when you install the Tosca, when you open the Xcan. So first time you will see like that. So it means you are unable to see any control which is present in the application because you are using first time. You will be in the basic version in the basic view. Okay, you just need to click on advanced. As soon as click on this advanced, you have come back normally. So there are many options in the ribbon bar. So this is an Xcan window which is used for creating a module. So what is this finish screen? So when you completed the capturing the module, you can click on this finish. Okay. If you click on that finish screen, then see. Okay. And then it will go back. See, now you can see if you want to scan again, you can click on scan it, right? It is taking Zoom workspace. I need to scan again. Mhm. Just a minute, guys. Actually, my Xcan is taking a Zoom meeting window. So now, so this is the basic and this is advanced. Finish screen after you scan everything. So you can click on that. And this is condense. Condense means if you want to minimize it, you just click on this. Okay. See, condense. So here you can minimize it. And again, you want to go back, then click on advanced. And this is highlight selection. So for suppose whatever the control that you are selecting, for suppose like this is a register, right? So click on register, select on, sorry, highlight selection. Click on that. See, it is highlighting. If I click on login, then it is highlighting. So Tosca is showing you whatever the control you have selected in the Xscan, it is trying to show you one highlight where it is present. I mean, at which place it is present in the application. Sometimes this option will be very useful for us when we are creating the module. Why I'm saying this? Uh, See, there is a books and here also books, right? And here also books, here also books. So sometimes what happen, you might be confused. This is the books and this is also books. So you want to just where it is placed, then you when you click on that, see, it is highlighting. When you click on that, it is highlighting, right? And if you want to go back to the normal position again, just disable this option. Okay. And if you want to identify any controls which are present on the screen, and you can use this select on screen. Okay. I will try to show you in next 5-10 minutes. Then keep this drop down identify by for something. So because we are going to discuss in this in 2-3 classes. So don't be confused. I'm not going to close these modules. Minimum I need 3 to 4 classes to complete this module section. So it is just only the basic view to help you understand what is module and while when is module to be created and how do you need to create it and how the user interface looks like. So I want you to be feeling comfortable and aware of this user interface. Then tomorrow I will go with a normal flow. So can you see here? And this is identified. There are various methods to identify, I mean, to scan the objects. So I will tell you slowly one after this now. We have this next filter items. So filtered items means if you just drag and drop it, what you will see?
Less title.
Hmm.
Like we'll get more elements if we
If you just, when I filter this bar, I mean, when I drag this filter items, then you can see the controls. If I little bit more, then see, you will not able to see any controls in the first. Sometimes we have to try to scan, but I am unable to see any control. Like if you drag this forward filtered items, I will try to show you the inner elements as well of the particular control. For example, see, there is a register. See, under register, what you will see, the inner elements also is there. So which are not needed for this, but I will just try to show you why or what is the uses of these filter items. Okay. And I will take this normal position. And you can also see this demo web shop. So you can also see the coding of this application. It is an HTML scripting, which the developers has to write or develop this application. And this is the code of the application. Okay. So Tosca will be trying to display each and every minor details clearly. So if you expand this filter item bar, okay. So if you expand this option, if you want to find any inner elements or parent control or child control, just click on it, filter and expand it. So if you want to find what is a control, you can just what are the different types of controls. See the control types. See the options. See there is a register. This is a link actually. So whatever this is the symbol, this is the icon. So this is the link. And this is a text box, and this is the button, and radio buttons also is there. Okay. And check boxes also is there. So an application contains all these different types of controls or objects or elements. So whatever the object that you want to identify, that you can also filter here and you want to just see. Okay. And there is a one more option is search. So if you want to search any particular control means there are many control displayed, and if you want to identify one particular control, if I just on click on search, see, I am typing books, then see, it is highlighting actually, right? So when I started typing books, it is showing how many occurrences are there. And next, show content preview. So what is present in the backend of this control? Suppose I have selected a register. Okay. After selecting this register, if I click on show content preview, then see what is this? It means in front of you, you are able to see only register. But when you click on this register, you might be navigating to some place, right? It is demo web shop. It is from demo web shop. And what is that place is what Tosca is showing you. If you also want to see what is the actual content which is presented behind the control, at the back end of the control, you can search by clicking on this show content preview. You will able to see what is the content present behind the application. So again, click on this option. You will go back normally. And here, uh, one option is there, select new application. So it means once you completed, you can select new application. Okay, you will be navigating back to the home page, and this is the starting page. Um, and it is a close button, and it is also saved button. This is one. You can save it and close it, and you can also use this close. Okay. Yeah, there are two options. This is one option, and this is one option. You can close it. Okay, Xscan window. And I mean, see, there are different options which are available in Xscan window, but this is how Xscan window looks like. And one, it is this self-healing properties. This option we are getting in 16.2 version only. Previously, it is not there. So when you facing the interview, right, you just tell like, I have worked on Tosca automation testing. But if they ask you like what is the version you have used, you just tell 15.2 or 15.4 version that I have used. Don't say 16.2 version. This is 16.2 version that I am telling you I am giving it training. So that is very 15.2 15.4 is not that as much old what we are saying right now. But nobody using 16.2 version in few companies, very, very few companies, only 16.2 version is used. But you should say in interview like 15.2 or 15.4. Never ever say 16.2. If you say 16.2 version, they will definitely know you just you have just training on that. Okay, just say 15.2, because in 15.2 there is no self-healing properties. And if you get, I mean, in when you entered in company, when you take up the project, if you get a 16.2 version only, then if you are saying when you, I mean, you will get this option self-healing property. Self-healing property means you will know the clear understand in, like, I mean, in further sessions. Why I'm saying this, if I said what is this option, you will not understand. Because self-healing property means when you identify the controls, if it is not identified, if it is not unique, then you will try to this option properties anchor image index. And that, I mean, after this, after using these options, it will, I mean, if it is not working, then the last option is self-healing properties. If you click on this option, the controls will identified by own itself, okay? But you have to try your own by using properties anchor image index. And what is the purpose of this uses? You will know in upcoming sessions. So don't worry about it, okay? And so I will try to show you how to create a module. Okay. So till now we have not created any module. I have just tried to show you what are the options that will be present to create a module. So right now I will create a module. Firstly, I need to select on screen option. Okay. This is the select on screen option. I need to click on that. See, if you want to select any controls, whatever you want to identify in the application, you can use this option. Or else, if you are able to see them in front of your register or login shopping cart, you can select here as well. So this is one way of doing. Okay. And if that is possible, so, I mean, if that is visible, you can just directly click on this check boxes. So if it is not visible, or if you want to identify very clearly, you just also can click on select on screen, and you can identify them from the screen. But please very attentive, please be very attentive when you're trying to identify any control on screen. Please arrange your Xscan window properly. Okay, because if I just see Xscan window, I moved here. I want to scan the control, register, login, shopping code. I'm able to see. Am I able to see? No, right? So please arrange in your, I mean, in your screen in up to you. It is up to your convenient. Okay. And so, what are the controls I want to identify? Just select on screen. Okay. And see, please select the control slowly manner. Okay. One, two, login. See, when I select the controls, it will show the name. When you little bit move forward, then see li, div, login, again li, div. See, if you select that div also, it will select only. But it is, I mean, I don't want to select div or li. Okay, I want to select shopping cart one by one, very slow. Okay, wish list, text box, search. If you see, if I click on that, div also selected, but it's not, I don't want it, right? Okay. And see, once you have completed identification, please don't forget this disable this option. So how many controls are there? Totally 6 controls. After identifying again to disable this option. Okay, just please remember, you need to remember that. See, without disable, now it is, sorry, I have enabled this control. Right now, this is now enabled. Means um it is highlighted. No, right? If you forget disable it and try to go, see, I'm clicking on that and see still the screen. Wherever I want to go, it is highlighting. It means it is continuously identifying the elements that your system will be stuck and can't close this axis xscan window. I can't close this. Okay. And just what I'm saying. And if you want to close this window forcefully, and again, you need to open and do it from the starting. So the important point is don't forget this disable this option. So once we complete identification, so I'm just disabling this. See, whenever the mouse now to go, I can go here and whatever I can do, okay, it is that simple as such. Okay. And after you identify the controls, just save it and close it. If you use this option and you can use this option, it is same. Okay. Now see what has happened. A module will be created in the application. See here. Just click on drop down, right? A new module has been created with a name called demo web shop. So how come the name of the module has come as a demo web shop? So this is the application, right? You have identified, right? Right now, right? So this is the demo web shop. So can you see the title of this demo web shop? So tab name is demo web shop, right? So whenever you create a module, automatically Tosca will take the title of the application as the name of the module. So that's why the name of the module is shown as demo web shop, because my title of the application is given as demo web shop and my module name is by defaultly taken. If you want to change it, you can change it. Whatever you want, you can. It is up to you to your convenience. So I put this name which is created by default, same name. So this is the module which you have created. Now see the justification of the definition. So what is the definition? It is a group or collection of attributes. Till now, what I have explained is only about the justification. I want to prove the definition of this module. Okay. And next, so it contains technical information. So where is it? I said technical information. This is a controls, but I said technical controls. Modules contains technical information, but where it is? So here, the right hand side, okay, you have an arrow symbol. Just open it. So here there are register. If you click on that register, there are the properties. If you click on login, there are proper. You can see the name is changing. Demo web shop, register, login, shopping cart. The name is changed. Wish list, text box, button, right? This is the technical information. This is a tech. It means that the technical properties for each and every control, which have been captured by creating a module. So it is justification of the module definition. Please don't worry again. We need to discuss more about the technical information the next 1 or 2 days. We will be talking more on the technical information. Only right. But for now, it is clear for you. I mean, about what is a module, why do we need to create a module, why the module has become the starting point, and how do we create that, how the user interface of the module looks like, and how do I create one sample module, right? Is it clear for you guys?
Yes, of course. It's clear from me.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
So suppose if we scan the web page, you name it demo web shop module or a demo web shop. So if it is different, let's say we scan it, then it's different for the web applications and on the Tosca. So how we can rename it or how we can make it same title?
Here, the title of it is by default taken it, right? Just give a right click and there is an rename option. I want to give a pipeline. Sorry, I want to 6 controls. That's it. Just give enter and it will rename it. You can do it. And if you want to, if you don't want, just, sorry, that's it. Give a right
So
click.
it will not
There is rename. Huh?
throw an error. If it is different, then that's not actually an issue. Right?
Sorry, if it is not,
So if the title is different in case, so that would not be an issue with automation. It's just
no,
for our
never.
convenience. We are
No, we can change the module name. We can change the like here also we. I mean, I will try. I will show you tomorrow. Because if you, I will show. I mean, if I show you right now, then you will become. We can't change this. Uh, this option. I mean, sorry, we can change it. Sorry. Uh, this option links text boxes also, button also we can change it. If you want to register or something you want to, you can change it, but it will impact when you use this module. See, if you change the title of the module, it will not impact on your test cases. If you change this register control, I mean, I added control name, right? And you are using in test cases, and you are doing the execution. During execution, it will go and it will try to find out there is a register. But what I have mentioned there, register control.
yes,
But it will be confused. There is no register control. It is there only register. It will not go and it will not go click on that. If this application, if really want to automate this register control, it should be a register. I mean, whatever the name is, it is as it is, it should be there only. So better to not change the controls. Okay. You can change the title of the folder or you can change the title of the module name. But the best practice is not there here. Okay. Got it?
yes, got it.
Okay. And after this, whatever you practice on that in Tosca tool, just save it. Okay. And if you directly go on, close it. Okay. Project close. And then it will ask, I mean, they will ask you, I mean, this Tosca tool ask you like if it is whatever you have changes, if it is saved or not. For suppose you forget to save it, then it will maybe it will not there in if you open in tomorrow, okay, then it will not there what have make changes. So don't forget to save it. After that save it, you just go project and choose this option. I mean, click on this option, close, and then close this. Okay, you want to close it, okay, but don't go to this option directly, otherwise it will hang. So in tomorrow session, so whatever we see, identify by properties, anchor, index, so that will be see in tomorrow session one by one, and I will teach you how will we use the identify by properties, anchor method, index method, image method one by one, okay, and what is the purpose of this identify option. And got it?
Yes,
Akash, Shakti,
yes,
Surinder. Venkat
Yes, sir.
is not there, right? I think Venkat has not joined it. So um let me try it. Let me give one link. Anybody, please share your screen. I'm going to stop this share screening. Please, anyone?
Shall I? Shall I, Afroz? Or
Yeah, Shakti, please.
you can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Shall I open this link?
Yeah. Just click on that. Go to site. Go to site. So the Tricentis Tosca zip file is downloaded. It will take few minutes. Just follow this, guys, Akash and Surender. Whatever we have, I mean, Shakti is trying right now. I mean, she's trying to install the application in her laptop.
Hi, Afroz. Have you had your lunch?
Yeah, I had it. And what about you, Shakti?
It-
And how's your work? Is it going well?
Are you currently in Pune?
No, I'm currently staying in my in-laws' home. So my father-in-law and mother-in-law both are not feeling well, so that's why she needs me, and so that's why I'm here. But
Here.
yeah, but actually, I settled in Pune.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you ever been to Coimbatore?
Sorry,
Have you ever been to Coimbatore?
Coimbatore only uh, once. I think I visited there. There is a train. I mean, from for Ooty.
Oh,
Ooty is very near to Coimbatore, right?
yes, yes.
Yeah. So in my graduation time, not recently.
Oh, okay.
Hmm. And so, what is your background like? I mean, you have completed BTech or what degree?
I completed ME, BE and ME, Master UG and PG in
Okay.
engineering tomorrow. Bachelor of Engineering and Master of Engineering.
So, after engineering, did you studies? I mean, you have any higher studies?
No, no. After completing my engineering, I was worked as a professor in a college, in an engineering college, and then I
Okay.
worked there for 4 years, and then I quit over there and I jumped into IT sector by yeah. I studied joined a course regarding this software testing, in both manual and
Okay.
automatic.
Hmm.
Yeah, after that, I got a job in Bangalore, a startup
Hmm.
which is in, I worked there
Okay.
for years, and then I shifted to my native Coimbatore. So in a
Hmm.
startup again,
Hmm.
worked for 1 year, and this is my third company currently working. This is my third company.
Okay. In
Yeah,
third company also, you would choose to startup company.
no, it's not
So you
startup.
have
No,
okay.
it's
Oh,
not
so
startup.
previously you have started with a startup company, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice.
Thank you.
So you are currently doing your work from home, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. And everywhere I had a New Year celebrations. So what about guys? Akash, Surender, Shakti, New Year celebrations.
Nothing, of
In
course. I
organization,
don't know
all
even.
went on a leave.
Yes,
So I'm working.
Yeah, Akash, you are saying something, but we are not able to hear.
Oh, sorry. Actually, all my teammates took a planned leave, so only I am working. Rest all are enjoying.
Okay. So why don't you take a leave?
Actually, I came to Pune uh, to celebrate with my friends, but I forget to apply leave yesterday.
Great. So you are the only person that you saying that I forgot to take a leave.
But I pinged manager that I'll leave after 6. So he said, okay, no problem, you can take.
Okay. And what about Shakti? Do you have any plans?
we don't know even tomorrow is off or not. I don't know even that.
What is, I mean, what is your company? At least the New celebrations, they give you a like leave, right?
I don't know. Smith, sorry, froze. I think I
Mm.
will come to know in evening meeting. I think so.
Okay. And what about Surender?
No planning for
No plannings.
yeah.
Surender is type of mind. Me and I and Surender are both. Whenever I'm in previous, I mean, I have the batch 2 session also is there. I mean, the last remaining sessions, I mean, 5 to 6 sessions are left. And that people also asking me, what is your plan, ma'am? Then I said, no plans. Like Surender, what he said, like that only. No plans. So, so I'm staying in laws, right? So I can't go anywhere. I can't spend with my friends also.
Exactly, Surendra is right because having nothing plan is better than having plan because
Hmm.
spend our day in like we can take rest without planning anywhere.
If I was single, then maybe I should have some plan with my friends. But after marriage,
No,
everything is gone.
exactly. Me too, Afros.
So you are married, Shakti.
I'm mother of two kids.
Oh, you have 2 kids. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm recently married. I'm just
Oh,
three
wow.
months.
Oh,
Hmm.
newly married. Okay.
Yeah.
Wishes. Our my belated wishes.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, Shakti. Are you, I mean, connected with the Wi-Fi or mobile data?
Wi-Fi, Afros.
Wi-Fi
What
only.
happened?
Okay.
I don't know why it's taking too long.
So Shakti, how you will manage with 2 kids and you have your responsibilities, husband, job, everything is there, right?
Yes, that's why I'm searching for a job from work from home mode. So luckily I got, and then I'm managing. My elder one is studying in fourth standard. He'll go to school, so
Okay.
I can manage my younger one, who is just 2 years old. So I can manage
Okay.
him. Yeah, with my
Okay.
parent-in-laws. With my parent-in-laws. Yeah.
Hmm. So Akash and Surinder. You both are single, ah?
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm.
I I don't understand who are. I mean, both are talking at the same time.
Oh, sorry. I'm only one thing.
So Surendra, you are married,
No, no, single.
single. Akash,
Yeah, I'm also single.
lucky guys.
Yeah, I think so.
Hmm. Hmm. Just 44 seconds.
So first, we are going to use like a trial plan, or how we are going to use the Tosca, how we are going to access the Tosca. Like
So
I'm
you
simply
have already get the license, right? And you need to install this Tosca tool in your machine, and you can use uh, how I am using that same way. In the same way, you can also use this Tosca tool whenever you want. You can open it and you can use it. There is no validity. Some people saying it's 2 months, 3 months, but since 6 or 7 months, I'm using this Tosca tool, and you don't need to install again. You don't need to use another credentials. Okay.
okay. Mm,
Yeah. So just try to extract the files.
okay. So they open it, I think.
Yeah. So wherever it is path, just find there is a path, right? Downloads. Go to downloads.
Yeah. What is it? That's not
Did you extract the files?
it. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, please continue. I agree. Continue. Yeah, next.
Yeah,
Just a minute.
gotcha.
Okay, next.
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 Hmm.
Next. Just a minute. Okay, next.
Need not to enable this one, right?
No.
Okay.
Oh, check
Yeah.
it. I mean, check that box. Next. Next. Now, next. Yeah, install.
Okay.
It will take another few minutes. After that, you need to click on that finish option. Okay, you will get it, and straight away you will go to search button. Okay, and
Yeah.
search tries. I mean Tosca Commander. Okay, you will get it.
Oh, okay.
Akash Surender, are you following me?
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
Okay. So whatever I have shown here, so just follow them. I mean, follow this video and install the Tosca in your machines. Okay. And please save the link and please don't share with anyone, guys. I'm telling you, I'm requesting you. Okay.
Oh,
Please
okay.
don't share with anyone. You are spending the money here.
Ye-
Okay. And you are trying to learn Tosca. Okay.
Yes.
But if you pass this link, if you pass with other people's, then there is no uses. Okay, that's why I'm telling you, keep it with yourself.
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
And we understand actually.
yeah,
Sure.
okay. Uh, is it clear now, Shakti and Akash Surender?
Yeah, yes,
If
ma'am.
you have, if
Yes.
you somewhere stuck when you install the Tosca, then you can pick me. Okay, in group, I'll
Okay,
guide you.
okay, Ashok.
Okay. Then is it, I mean, tomorrow is a holiday or not? I don't know. I need an update from eTech. Okay, eTech Institute. So if they are giving the holiday, then tomorrow is a holiday. If they are not giving, then we will continue tomorrow session with new
Okay. So
concept.
when can we get the update for that for a leave or not?
Come again? Sorry.
Sorry. Like for if there is a leave or not, when we'll get update today or tomorrow?
Uh, in the, I mean, eTech, the chief executive is there.
Oh,
Then he will update you in the group. Okay, and in in the evening, I think so. You will get the update by evening.
okay.
Okay, Akash.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Fine.
Yeah. Then see you in next session with new concepts, guys. So take care. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to all.
Happy New
Happy
Year
New
to
Thank you.
Ashok.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Have a good day. Take care.
You too.
Yeah,
Bye.
thank you.
Yeah, bye.